Assalamu alaikum. Today in this video I will tell you about how we can install the Tailwind CSS setup with the Vue.js. For that purpose I just need to copy and paste some command from the official Tailwind CSS website to the terminal. For installing the project I just copy the first command from here and paste into the terminal. And wait. Here I just paste that command which I copy from the website. Now I go there and just copy the other commands and paste it here. Wait until the installation is completed. As you can see, our project is installed. Now just I need to copy this code from here, and now I will open our project into VS Code. For that I just need to run code dot and come into the Tailwind config file and just put this here. Okay, now I will open the style.css file and copy this from here and paste it here. Okay, just go there and copy this from here, come here into app.view and paste it here. Okay, now I will test that. npm run dev. Now you can see the style are applied, and I can change something like font, text. Yeah, you can see the style are applying. So thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe my channel. See you inshallah.